Most beginners spend months trying to make their first dollar online. But today, I'm sharing 5 Shopify hacks that can help you make your first $1,000 in just 1 week. Welcome to Mr. B Hacks, where I test real online business methods so you don't waste time on things that don't work. Let's jump straight into hack number 1. The fastest way to make your first 1K is to pick the right product. Look for items that solve a real problem, cost less than $30, and are already trending on social media. You don't need paid ads when you're just starting. Even one video going mildly viral can bring free traffic. Instead of building a big website, create a clean one-product store. A single focused page converts better.
After someone buys your product, offer them a small add-on like a discounted second item or an extended warranty. Even if only a few customers accept the offer, your total profit increases dramatically. This simple technique is used by top Shopify sellers every day. Shoppers trust stores that look professional. Add a live chat option, a clear shipping message at the top, and simple trust badges. When your store feels reliable, customers buy faster and with more confidence. And that's how beginners make their first $1,000 on Shopify in just 1 week. If you want me to continue this series and test more methods step by step, comment below and tell me what you want to see next.